growth within a group or within a company, you need to have people. I've always believed that 90% business is people. I mean, you can buy land, you can buy the machinery, you can get technology from overseas, and but it's the people which are the most valuable asset. And I've been focusing right in my various positions as the CEO or managing director or as the executive chairman of getting the right talent of people to head, which becomes a very important factor. This apart, what you need to do is that when you're looking, I mean, since you've asked me what are the complexities of a group, say, like, for example, any group which is looking at increasing its business, in our case, it used to be obviously be in the automotive.